What do you got for me this time? A tornado watch. Yay.
Turn that down.
Can't.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 207, effective until 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, Lasalle, Lake, Lee, Livingston, Marshall,
Oh my
McKenzie,
goodness.
McLean, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Will, Winnebago, and Woodford, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Porter, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois.
Oh, marine
Northerly
locations.
Island, Illinois. Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois. Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana. Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana. And Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana. And the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Walworth.
It's a big tornado watch.
Iowa. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Okay. Alright.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains